Hello, viewers. If you are an entrepreneur or if you are an overseas businessman and if you want to come to the UK with the purpose to settle in the UK, or if you want to bring your family in the UK and if you want to get a British citizenship in the future, a representative of an overseas business visa is an option for you. In this video, I'll speak about how you can make the application, what are the requirements for overseas business visa, representative of an overseas business visa. Most of the point-based system, including investor visa, has been closed by the UK Home Office for different reasons. The entrepreneur visa has been closed quite long before, but this is the only route still is available, which is for overseas foreign entrepreneur with the intention to set up a business in the UK, and a lot of advantage for this visa. You don't need to invest £50,000 or £200,000 in this visa. Rather than you will come as a representative of a company which head office is outside the UK with a purpose to open a branch or set up a business. So in this video, I'll give a bit of information, basically how you can come, what are the requirements, what you need to satisfy, what document you need to provide, what are the English language, what is sole representative, and what you need to satisfy to the Home Office as a sole representative, how long you will get visa, whether you can extend your visa or not, whether you can bring your dependent family member, including your spouse, children, or parents, and what document you need to submit with the Home Office, and how long you need to spend to get nationality, I mean British passport, or how long you need to spend in the UK to get ILR. So all this information, if you want to know, please stay with me in this video. So let me talk about what is the representative of an overseas business visa. As I said, the name itself suggests the representative of an overseas business. So if you are doing a business in Qatar, Dubai, or if you're doing a business in Jeddah or anywhere in the world, and if you have a dream to come to the UK, settle yourself, bring your family, let your children to study in UK university, UK school, colleges, and your family will live in London or any other city in the UK, then you can think about it that representative of an overseas business visa. So your company may send you in the UK to set up a business. So you need to convince the company that I'm the right person to open a branch in the UK. Anyway, if I go through the whole document, whole video, then you will understand what document and what are the criteria, what the eligibility you need to satisfy. So first thing first. So this is the first. How you must have enough money to support yourself. That is called maintenance. So currently, you need to. If you just let me speak about just the applicant. So if you come, you should have the maintenance in your account. So currently, the maintenance requirement is £1,270. You should have in your bank account for 28 days, and you need to provide a bank statement. English language requirement for this visa is A1. So A1 is basically very basic English language requirement, which is speaking and listening only. So many of you can do this. Now, sole representative. So the term sole representative is very important. You must be a sole representative of your company, and to satisfy the immigration officer, you need to prove that you are recruited and employed by a company which is outside the UK, and you have that level of skill, experience, and knowledge to carry on the role you will be allocated or you'll be assigned to the UK by your company, and you are a senior manager or senior position within your company, overseas company, and your intention to establish a business, set up a business in the UK or open a branch in the UK, and you must have that authority to set up a business. I mean, you must have authority to decision-making authority, and that has to confirm by your company. So that what in if you put it in one place, that is, you are a representative with authority and authorized by the company to set up a business in the UK. And then whether you can extend your visa. Yes, you can extend your visa. While in the UK, first you will get 3 years initial 3 years visa, and then after that you can extend it. You can bring also your family member. As I said before, if you come to the UK as a sole representative of an overseas business man or an entrepreneur, you must you can bring your family member, including your spouse, children under 18, or if they are dependent, if they are, for example, if they are in full-time education, and if they are dependent, then you can bring them as well. Then what document you need to submit with the application. I'll come back what document, because document is very important, but before that let me speak about how long you can stay. So initially you will get 3 years visa, and after 3 years you can extend your visa within the UK further 2 years. So you can spend altogether 5 years on limited leave to remain as a representative of an overseas business visa. And after end of the 5 years, you can apply for ILR. ILR means permanent resident, indefinite leave to remain. You can apply after 5 years. And after 1 year of indefinite leave to remain or permanent residence, you can apply for British nationality, and you'll get British passport after 6 years if everything goes smoothly. So these are the requirements. Now let me speak about document. What document basically you need to submit to the Home Office to satisfy that you are eligible to get visa as a representative of overseas business visa, which is otherwise called sole representative visa. So the basic document is you must provide the current passport or other valid travel document, evidence that you can support yourself, and if you have any dependent, so you need to provide evidence, as I said, which is £1,270 you must keep in your bank statement. So you need to provide your bank statement. And also you need to provide where you'll stay. So if you arrange an accommodation, you can provide it. Probably you need a tuberculosis test result, which is medical result if you are coming from some countries. And you need to provide your English language certificate A1. The most important document you need to provide with this application is sole representative document. That is, your company need to write a letter with your position, what is your salary, how long you working, and with the intention of the company to send you in the UK with a full description of the business activity, including details of asset and accounts of your company. As I said, your contract also, the employment contract and salary details. You should submit your employment contract as well with the application. And also the letter will also need to confirm that you are familiar with the business as per company rule, and you have the authority to make all the operational decision. And also they need to confirm the letter that you should also provide evidence that you are directly employed by the business and are not acting as a sales agent or any marketing agent, rather than what the letter need to confirm, your company need to confirm that you are employed directly by the company. You are recruited to the business outside the UK. So either you have to work anywhere outside the United Kingdom. So might be working in Dubai or in Qatar or somewhere outside the UK, and will be working full time for the business or the subsidiary for the duration of your stay in the UK, and you will not carry out any other work other than the work in the company. And finally, the letter also need to confirm do not own or control a majority of the overseas business. So you can't be owner of the company. You can't be the majority shareholder of the company. So these are the very important document which you require to get visa as a UK business visa for overseas entrepreneur. Now, in terms of home office fee, the home office fee is currently is around £700. So that is means what I'm discussing is the cost of this visa. Well, this visa is very flexible visa, and I would recommend that this is the currently only visa is available for overseas business representative, as we know that currently there is no entrepreneur visa. Investor visa has closed. There are some other visa which is called startup visa, and innovative visa is very difficult because you need to apply for endorsement body, the endorsement body need to confirm, need to sponsor you, which is very complex. But a representative of an overseas business visa is still available, and it is less expensive. So what you need to provide evidence, what are the costs involved in this application? The only cost involved is the home office fee, which is around £700 for 3 years, and you need to pay the NHS fee as well, so £630 per year. So if you get visa for 3 years, so around 1900 plus the home office fee you need to pay. That's what all about the cost is. You don't need to show any evidence of your finance that I'll invest 50 million or £2 million like investor visa, because you are not investing. You are coming in the UK as a representative of the company to set up a business. So the company will show that they have overseas business with asset, and they will confirm it by the letter. So this is all about today. I hope you'll get bit information about what you need to satisfy, what are the requirements for the UK business visa for as a representative of overseas business. Thank you very much, all of you.